In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Schedule 1 not starting or launching on Steam. If the game won't open or closes immediately, follow along as we walk through a clean, safe sequence of fixes that address the most common causes without wasting time. Start by giving Steam the permissions it needs. Close Steam if it's running. Then locate Steam on your desktop or in your Start menu, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This helps bypass permission issues that can block the launcher or the game from starting. Once Steam opens, sign in if prompted, head to your library, and try launching Schedule 1. If it opens now, you're good to go. If it still won't start, the next step is to repair the installation. In your Steam library, right-click Schedule 1 and select Properties. Go to Installed Files, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan and replace any missing or corrupted files. This process can take a few minutes depending on your drive speed, but it fixes a large majority of launch errors. When it finishes, try launching the game again. If the problem persists, adjust compatibility settings for Steam itself. Close Steam completely. Find Steam again, right-click it, choose Properties, and open the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode and select Windows 8. Click Apply and OK, then relaunch Steam and test Schedule 1. Compatibility mode can help on systems where newer Windows behavior conflicts with older components. If you notice performance drops later, you can return here to turn this setting off. Next, clear Steam's download cache to remove stuck or corrupted temporary data. With Steam open, click the Steam menu in the top left, choose Settings, then go to Downloads. Click Clear Download Cache, confirm, and let Steam restart. You'll be asked to sign in again. After logging back in, try launching Schedule 1 one more time. If none of the above resolves it, use a clean reinstall of the game as a last resort. In your library, right-click Schedule 1, choose Manage, then Uninstall. When it's removed, click Install to download a fresh copy. This wipes out any problematic game files and replaces them with a clean build. If the game supports cloud saves, your progress should sync back automatically after reinstalling. That's it. Work through these fixes in order, testing the game after each one, and you should have Schedule 1 up and running. Thanks for watching.